Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the September Sew Sampler. I'm sorry I'm so late with this. You guys know I have a lot going on in my personal life with my daughter. She had her MRI a week or two ago now, and they did find some abnormalities. So it's been a little bit of a crazy ride. I've also had no less than like 20 quilts waiting in my queue at any given time for the last 2 months. And that's been insane. I'm finally down to 15 quilts, all right? So wish me luck on getting those done in a timely manner. It's been a lot. But let's go ahead and dive into this month's box, or last month's box. All right, first up we have the insert. It says all the classics, September 2024. All right, we do have a coupon on the back. This is 15% off of Jolly Bars. As you guys know, we do get a free quilt pattern there as well. It's free for everybody, not just Sew Sampler members. Go ahead and click on that QR code. Next, we have this foldable insert, foldable accordion insert, whatever you want to call it. We have this insert and it has all of the box contents as well as the prices for each item. I'll go ahead and total this up at the very end, and I'll let you guys know what I paid as well because I can't remember right now, and I always do this for every single video, and I will let you know what we saved. First up, we have this wonderful 5.5 inch Creative Grids quilting square ruler. This is obviously by Creative Grids. This retails for $18.49. It says this 5.5 inch square ruler from Creative Grids is simply fantastic. It's a classic. This ruler size is useful for small and medium cuts, and it's just the right size to go on the road to retreats or slide into table drawers. With the trademark grip dots and clear, accurate markings, there is always room for more Creative Grids rulers. I have to agree. I think I have a 6.5 inch and a 4.5 inch. I don't know that I have a 5.5 inch. All right, next we have this 50 weight light sand 100% cotton Mako small thread by Aurifil. This retails for $5.98, and it says Aurifil thread is another spectacular staple we can't get enough of. The light sand color blends effortlessly into light and dark fabrics, and the thread itself is thin, smooth, and strong, keeping your quilts looking classy for generations. All right, this next item is pretty darn neat. It says Clover Mini Hot Roller by Clover, and it is a Sew Sampler got it first, so this might not actually be up on the website anywhere, I guess, really. Retails for $9.98. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Okay, so it'll be on Fat Quarter Shop's website, just not right now. The 2 inch by 6 inch Clover Mini Hot Roller is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive and your iron's new BFF. Use it to measure, mark, fold, and press all at once. Made of heat-resistant nylon. You can fold fabric over it and press directly on the roller, making hems and French seams a cinch in home decor projects like pillows and curtains. Our favorite use for this little hot roller is for pressing seams on quilt labels to top stitch onto our favorite quilts. And I don't know about you guys, just like I don't like to pin, I really don't like to measure either, so there are a lot of times where I'll create seams and I will not actually measure because I have it up here. I kind of know what like a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch really looks like in my head, but I can definitely see how this would be handy. I would definitely use it if I needed to be super precise. So do you see how the fabric folds over? This is nylon in here. And then you go ahead and you press that seam. So that is extremely handy. Okay, next we have this Denim and Daisies Jolly Bar. This is by Fig Tree Quilts for Moda Fabrics, and this retails for $22.98. I will go ahead, I'm not gonna go through this because that would be a mess to try to get back together, but I will go ahead and put it somewhere here on the corner. And by put it somewhere, I mean the fabric box of different designs. Sorry, I cannot talk today. You could see that in my last video. Anyway, I'll go ahead and put all of the fabrics up here in the corner somewhere so that you can see without me taking this apart. Anyway, it says Fig Tree Quilts combines strong and sweet in her new Denim and Daisies line for Moda Fabrics. Rough and tumble blues are mixed with soft orange and butterscotch hues in a set of fabrics that invites you to create warm, welcoming quilts for your home. This Jolly Bar includes the full range of prints from the line, from tonal classics to intricate florals, including an extra Jolly Bar exclusive pattern that is just delightful in Denim and Daisies. So here is that exclusive Jolly Bar pattern. I feel like a free pattern comes with every Jolly Bar that I've ever gotten, so that's neat. Yeah, that's a nice little picnic sized blanket, I think. Ooh, I said blanket. I know people don't like that quilt. I am so sorry. All right, I might have to dub over that. 49.5 inch by 49.5 inch. This is the perfect picnic quilt for sure. Okay, here we have the Reflections quilt pattern. This is by Fat Quarter Shop, and it retails for $9.98. It says, take time to reflect upon this placid quilt design, Reflections. A twist on classic baskets. Oh, I almost said blankets again. Baskets turns this into an elegant and unique block that combines different backgrounds into one harmonious quilt. Create this with a Jolly Bar in this month's box for an even brighter outlook. Limited finishing kits are available at Fat Quarter Shop. I'll go ahead and let you know if the finishing kits are still available. It is October now, like October 5th, 4th, and they might not be available, but I'll go ahead and let you know and put the link down below. All right, so this is a 51.5 inch by 66.5 inch quilt. That's a good size quilt. You need 3.5 yards for your backing. You need 1 5/8 yards for your blue background, 1 5/8 yard for your white background, 7/8 for your border, and 5/8 for your binding. And of course you need your Jolly Bar. All right, there's that pattern again. And then finally we have block number 6. It's inside out. Is it inside out? No. Well, it has the cutting instructions on it. So let's just try to be as coy as possible here. All right. So our Peaceful Baskets quilt along, this is block number 6. You guys can't see anything, right? All right, block number 6. It says feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on the Peaceful Baskets quilt. This sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all Peaceful Baskets block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop. Retails for $4.98. And I will go ahead and post the links below for all of the items in this box. If you do not know, this is a block of the month that we get with our Sew Sampler. It starts in April and it goes the whole way until March. And then in March, we not only get the final block, but we also get the pattern, the final pattern for the entire quilt. And personally, I can't wait for the next quilt because I'm not doing this one and I didn't do the one last year either. So I am excited to see what they have in store for us in April. All right, let me go ahead and total up what we got and also figure out what I paid. Okay, so I paid $45.53 shipped for this. Remember, I do get that upgraded shipping. It's $13. I don't know if I want to continue doing that, if I'm being really honest, because I still get my box kind of late anyway. But anyway, so $45.53, and let me find it. The box total came to $72.39 minus... Okay, so we saved $26.86. I don't know if you can see that. All right, not bad. I like this box-ish. Let's see, favorite item. I don't know, that clover thing is pretty cool, although I do like to eyeball it. Maybe the ruler. The ruler was a good one. Let me know down below what your favorite item is, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everyone.